Welcome to Commerce Academy. Today I am going to discuss ledger. What is ledger, importance of ledger, what is posting, format of ledger and how to make a ledger. All these topics I am going to discuss in today's lecture. So today's lecture is very important. Don't miss any point and be carefully attend today's lecture. So what is ledger? Ledger is a book of account in which include all accounts, assets, expense, capital, revenue and liabilities. Ledger is also called king of account, book of account and also called secondary book. In ledger you can find every type of account. Therefore it's called book of account. Importance of ledger. Importance of ledger is you can find the balance of every account from ledger. Another point is you can check the information of any account from ledger. You can be prepare a trial balance with the help of ledger and also prepare trading profit and loss account with the help of ledger. Ledger is two sides, one is debit and other is credit. If the debit side is balance is more than credit side, so it's considered as debit balance, and if the credit side of ledger account is greater than debit side, then it's called credit balance. So the closing balance of this year will be opening balance of next year. So what is posting? The journal entry is transfer from journal to ledger is called posting. Means when we transaction or posting in ledger from to journal is called posting. Format of ledger. Format of ledger include two sides, one is debit and second side is credit. In every side equal column. This is a format of journal. Ledger. Date, here you mention the date in which transaction is happened. Description with name of account. Here JR, yani journal book number where the transaction is posted to ledger. Amount, then credit side of ledger is date, count name, JR, journal book, page number where the transaction is transferred to ledger, amount. So this is a format of ledger. How to make a ledger? Now I am going to discuss how to make a ledger, how to transfer journal entry from journal to ledger. So we make a journal ledger with this example. So these all are journal entries. How these entries are posted in ledger. Now we discuss this. First entry is cash. 2005 January 1st transaction is means started a business with a cash 1 lakh and cash debit and capital credit. So this entry how to post in ledger. So first you mentioned cash count is already we make a format of all accounts. So cash count, cash debit 2005 January 1st, cash debit due to capital. So amount is 1 lakh. Second account is capital is credit due to cash 2005 1st January cash की वजह से capital due to cash capital is credit. So next you can transfer this entry to ledger account. This is a cash account, this is a capital account. So now entry is purchase furniture for cash, furniture debit, cash credit. So first one is debit account furniture. Furniture is debit due to cash 20,000. 2nd January furniture account. Furniture debit due to cash with the amount of 20,000. So next one, cash credit due to furniture on 2nd. So next transaction, purchase is for cash. Purchase is debit, cash credit. So move to first account. If purchase account is not available, then make a purchase account, then transfer entry to that account, and other account, cash account is already available, so cash is transferred here. So purchase account is available here, so purchase is debit due to cash with the amount 15,000, 60,000 here. So cash is credit due to purchase. Entry is transfer everywhere. So here cash sale. Now cash sale means cash increase due to sale. Sale increase is credit. Cash increase is asset, so it's debit. Cash debit due to sale. Cash increase. So entry on 5 January. Amount is 80,000. Sale credit due to sale account is available here. With the amount is 8. So each and every account has a separate account made here and transferred to the relevant account. So check each and every transaction are posted into the ledger. So now you can make a balances of these accounts. So first one is no balance same. So balance is this is a debit balance because debit side is greater than credit side, so it's a debit balance. So this is a only single side transaction, no debit side, so it's a very easy. Same amount post here and balance. So next one is furniture. Furniture is 20,000. So 20,000 balance 20,000. This is a debit balance. This is a credit balance, debit balance. So now balance of this account. So next one is balance is balance 1 lakh. So this is capital account balance. So it's a credit balance. Now we make a balance of cash account. So here you understand very carefully because both sides balances are available. So now you can check which side is greater than. So here is 18,000 and here is 1 lakh 80. So debit side is greater than credit side. Debit side is greater than debit side. Debit side is greater than credit side. So now balance is 1 lakh 80,000. So that balance also mentioned below here. So now balance is now these amount less from this amount and difference is our balance. So 50 and 20 is plus 80. One here available is 1 lakh 80,000. 180,000 less from 180. 1 lakh 80,000. So remaining balance is 1 lakh. So that is our cash account balance. So this is a debit balance because debit side is a greater than credit side. So today in lecture we discuss ledger, what is ledger, importance of ledger, and how to make a ledger. So you on practice some transaction, write down transaction and make a ledger of that transaction. If you face any difficulty in making ledger, you will be discuss with me, and I hopefully you understand this topic. In next lecture we see further transaction, that transaction how to post the ledger. So thank you, and also this lecture share with friend so that they also get some advantage from this lecture. So keep in touch and thank you and goodbye.